Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today, we're stepping into the world of refined comfort and cutting-edge design with the 2026 DFSK Motorhome, modified for ultimate luxury. Once known for their compact and efficient vehicles, DFSK has taken a bold leap into the luxury RV segment, and the result is a mobile sanctuary that blends advanced tech with first-class living. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 DFSK Motorhome features a sleek, aerodynamic body finished in a rich, pearlescent white. Chrome accents and LED lighting add a premium touch, while the sculpted body lines give it a modern, commanding presence on the road. It's built on a reinforced chassis that supports smooth, stable travel even on longer journeys. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that pairs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with a high-efficiency battery system. It delivers seamless torque distribution through all four wheels, thanks to an intelligent AWD system. The result is impressive fuel economy, quiet operation, and reliable performance, whether you're cruising highways or tackling mountain passes. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin that rivals five-star hotels. The interior layout is intelligently designed with a rear lounge that transforms from a living space into a sleeping area at the touch of a button. Premium Napa leather seating, ambient LED lighting, real wood trim, and soft-close cabinetry speak volumes about the attention to detail. Tech lovers will appreciate the 32-inch smart display in the living room, a digital cockpit up front, and voice-controlled amenities throughout, Wi-Fi connectivity, solar panel integration, and an intelligent energy management system make it ideal for off-grid adventures. The galley kitchen is compact but fully loaded, featuring a dual-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a built-in espresso machine. The refrigerator is seamlessly built into the cabinetry, while a pull-out pantry adds functionality without sacrificing space. The bathroom feels surprisingly spacious, offering a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and touchless controls. And with a 100-gallon fresh water tank and advanced waste management system, this RV is designed for extended travel without compromise. What really sets this DFSK apart is how it blends practicality with luxury. Smart storage compartments, underfloor heating, air suspension, and adaptive cruise control all contribute to a smooth, effortless travel experience. The ride quality is quiet and refined, offering both driver and passengers the feel of a high-end luxury sedan on the open road. This 2026 DFSK Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Perfect for couples or small families who want the freedom of the road without sacrificing comfort. It delivers innovation, elegance, and efficiency in one beautifully crafted package. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more reviews from RV Gear Review.